Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. So you guys see this box, so I'm sure most of you know this company, Crystal Canvas Art Designs. I am really excited about this one. So they had, Amy was working on getting a new website up and running, and she had problem after problem. I felt so bad. She was trying to update everybody as much as possible, but it seemed like she couldn't catch up right. Nothing was going right. Every single issue that could happen happened to her. I felt awful. So as soon as the website was live, she had said, hey guys, everybody, it's live. Prior to that, if you made an account, you could make your wish list and get that all up and running. So as soon as she got live, she told us all, we're live, you guys can, go and order now. So I had this one, actually had two that I really, really wanted. This one has a lot of meaning though. So this is I have several I really want, so I should say that first. But this one has special meanings, so we're gonna get into this one first. And I haven't got the other one yet, so we'll wait on that one. But in the order, if you order something with her, you can add a little, it's almost like a little tiny, it's just a little crystal for like $5. So I added that. It's just really cute little crystal. A little crystal, and that one is black onyx, and I liked that one a lot. So I'm going to show you what I got, and I'm going to tell you why it's special. All right, so first of all, we have a toolkit, which is a green boat. My green boat didn't quite survive the trip. Generic little tweezers, got a pink pin, plate of wax, and baggies. So we're going to get rid of that because we are. And this is what I got. So my son's in the Army. I'm an Army mom. I have two nephews in the Army. I am really pro, our military, our men and women that serve and their families that, do what they have to do to survive it, because it's rough sometimes. So I ordered this one. So the American flag is in the background, and then you have the Army boots, and you have the dog tags, and I just love this one. It has 25 colors. This is a picture of what it will look like. I've seen this image 100 times on different sites, but when I saw Amy had it in crystals, I knew this was the one I had to have. So it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm really excited that I was able to get this one. I think this is going to be really beautiful to do. So I'm going to turn this around, and we're going to look at the crystals. These plastic bags are so loud. All right, so they were in order until I undid them. So we have number 1, which is a clear crystal. We have number 2, which is a beautiful dark red crystal. Number 3, a beautiful red. So this is lighter than this other one right here. And then number 4 is a pink. I'm not sure how that goes in, but I'm sure it's going to work out. Because I know, with the shading and all the shading and highlighting and stuff in colors, I think it will be really pretty. And then we have number 5 and number 6, number 7. Trying to keep them in order. Number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11. My dog's snoring. I don't know if you guys can hear her or not, but number 11, number 12, Number 13. Number 14, more pink. Like I said, I have faith it's gonna work out the way it's supposed to, but it's kind of weird when you see the pinks and the like the lighter colors, and I can't wait to see how it comes out though. Number 15. You guys have to be able to hear her. She's so loud right now. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. That's a really deep red. Number 21. Number 22. Number 23. Again, a really light pink. Number 24. And number 25. So yeah, got all the colors that I was supposed to have. It's beautiful. I will put it in my portfolio thing underneath my mattress to flatten it out really good. I won't be working on this for a little while, so it has plenty of time to get all nice and flat and get the wrinkles out. So my one that came from her prior, that came folded, like rolled one way and then they sent it the opposite way in the box, was my little elephant sitting on the half moon, and yeah, putting it like that got almost all the creases out. Like the creasing is very minor, so I have no worries that this will come out perfectly fine. So Amy, thank you so much for this beautiful canvas. And like I said, this was from Crystal Canvas Art Designs. I ordered it on September 15th. I received it on September 21st, but today is a couple days later. You guys will see this in like a few days to a week. The kit was $24, which I think is totally, completely, you know, inexpensive for a full crystal, beautiful design. It's a good size. I love everything about it, and the shipping was free. So Amy, love your kits, and I can't wait to get my next order from you that's coming. And I just think you're awesome, and I really appreciate the hard work you do. I know it can't be easy right now. Anyhow, you guys, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified the next time I post a video. And if you have any questions down below in the comment section, go ahead and ask away, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Bye.